What?
We gotta get to the Salvation Army.
Huh?
Come on, man, before we go.
We ain't got time.
It's for Christmas.
I got to figure out how to. I don't know how to.
It's for the kids.
Excuse me.
Hold on.
We don't have time right now. We got to get back to the dig site. The guys are like busy and they're waiting for us.
Put $1 in there.
$1?
$1.
Come on, listen. What was your name?
Shirley.
Shirley?
All right, hold on.
Shirley says put at least $1.
All right, hold on. Let me see if I got my wallet.
Shirley knows how to
I think
take
I left
care
my
of-
wallet in the car.
Oh, let me see if I got something.
Okay.
Hold on. Nope, that's a level. Nope. Hold on. I know I got something in here. Nope, that's not. That's my kids. Hold on. Let me check my back pocket. Wait, no. Can you hold that for me? I need that for later to tighten up the plate. Wait a second.
I'm in the Christmas spirit though.
Hey! Oh, I was in choir last night.
Me.
Right?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, you are definitely in the spirit. How long have you been out here? How long do you volunteer for?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock?
Well, thank you for doing
Thank you for doing that.
All
All right, hurry up. Come on, get the wallet. Let's get
It's inside.
let's get this going.
Wait a second.
Oh!
Is that?
You have a rat in there. Is that from the work site?
Would you take her for?
Can you hold her for while he's trying to
You
find
want to hold her?
while he's trying to find the wallet? Go ahead and hold her there.
She's the softest little girl. Oh, don't worry. She loves
All right, come on. We got to get to the job site.
Okay, wait.
These guys are waiting for us there.
Boss, you got the money. Here.
Oh, I got the money. Okay, let me see if I can find it.
Hey.
Oh, I do have some cash. I do have some cash.
Hey.
Oh, she likes
I got a
you,
20. Is that okay?
Oh, that'll work.
All right.
Okay.
$20 for the Salvation
Why don't you
Army.
give her more?
Huh? Oh, he's giving my money away.
Come on, give me some more.
He's my employee. He's giving my
It's
money.
okay.
I'll tell you what.
Just
If you
enjoy
can
it.
name,
Oh.
I'll give you $20 for every reindeer you can name that Santa has.
Oh,
Santa
no, I don't need no none of them. Rudolph.
There you
Rudolph,
go.
all right.
Give
That's
her
a
double for that
20.
one.
That's a 20.
Give her double for that one.
And you can help too.
Help too.
Come and help. Dancer,
Prancer.
Prancer. That's 20, 40.
Common and Dixon.
Jeez. Oh, how
She's
many?
got 6.
How many reindeer does he have? I can't afford all this.
That's $120.
Do it. Just put it all in there. All right. Here we go. Thank you. Thanks for spending my money.
Shirley, you did great. You did great.
Hold on. I think I still got a little bit more.
You got more?
All right.
Get the puppy too.
$20 if you can name his favorite color and my name.
What's my favorite color?
What's his favorite color?
Yellow.
That's it.
Yellow.
Okay, and then what do you think his name? What, boss, come on.
Paul.
Boss.
There you go.
You got it. It's Boss.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And your name was
Shirley.
Shirley. Are you going to have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year?
Yes.
You deserve it because you help so many people by standing out here, volunteering. You know, you could be at home watching The View, but you're not. You're here. That's amazing.
Thank God for that, Shirley.
So go ahead,
Oh,
Al.
hey, Shirley, I want to bless you and your family for Christmas. So we have a $200 Tops gift card. $200.
For you.
Oh, bless your heart.
Use that for Christmas, whatever you need for food or whatever. But thank you for
All
serving.
right.
All right, thank
God
you for
bless you.
giving.
Merry
Yes.
Christmas.
And we're giving you the dog too. We found that dog out on in the pond.
My wife would kill me if I got rid of this dog.
Thank you for
All right.
helping
Thank you,
out.
Shirley. Thank you very much. You got it.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Machine owners trust